Hi everybody, this video is your directions for commas 113, continuing or beginning addresses. So when you are writing addresses, you need to use a comma to separate the city and the state in an address. Now when we're talking about addresses here, we are not talking about a direct address when you're speaking to somebody. This is somebody's actual address, like where in the world is something located. That is an address. Okay, that's the address that we're speaking about right now. Not a direct address again, not when we're speaking to somebody and we are addressing somebody directly. This is an address telling location. Okay, so we need to use a comma to separate the city and the state in an address. For example, Pam lives in Phoenix, the city, Arizona, the state. Okay, so our directions are to look. Get my pen ready here. Our directions are to look for addresses in these sentences and add commas where they belong. Okay? Yankee Stadium is located in Bronx, New York. Okay, there's my state, New York, and here's my city. And if you look up here at the punctuation pointer, it says use a comma to separate the city and the state in an address. Like this, right here. So, again, my state, New York, my city, Bronx. So that must mean I need a comma right there. All right, number 2 says the St. Louis Arch is located in St. Louis, Missouri. All right, here's my state, Missouri, and here is my city, St. Louis, or St. Louis. You just continue down and complete the following 10 and submit.